Hello everyone, my name is Somanwell and I'm from class 9th A. Today I'm going to present a very interesting project in annual science exhibition with its 3D design. Before proceeding further, I would like to give you one situation that if there is no electricity at your home and your mobile phone is also not charged and you have to take your virtual classes, now what you will do? Wait for the answer till end. So my project name is Tesla Coil. Today I am going to present Tesla Coil with a 3D design and a model both. I will tell the working and show you the design. I will tell what is Tesla Coil and how can we use this as a scientific and modern solution to modern problems. So let's start. So basically what is Tesla coil? A Tesla coil is an electrical resonant transformer circuit that was designed by inventor Nikola Tesla in 1891. It is used to produce high voltage, low current and high frequency alternating current electricity. This is what actually Tesla coil looks like. I have made this model at my home and this is the 3D design of it that I made on Tinkercad. The working and making of this project is very easy. First, I will explain the structure in short. Now, let me quickly explain you the structure using 3D design of my project that I made on Tinkercad. So, Tesla coil is divided into three parts, mainly the upper, mid and the lower part. The upper and middle part are the main part of this project because without this it will not work, and the lower part it is as a supporting part. So if you are making this at home, you can take any box or cardboard for support of Tesla coil. So now let me explain you the middle and the upper part. You can see that the middle part is of brown color. Why? Because we basically need copper wire and a small piece of pipe. When you will cover the small piece of pipe with the copper wire, it will produce the magnetic energy, and when the switch will be on and the battery will pass its energy, it will convert into the electromagnetic energy. Isn't that so simple to understand? Now for the upper part, you can take any small simple ball and just cover it with the aluminium foil, and it's done. Now let's proceed to the working of this project. Now I will tell how it worked and what all things are needed to make. So actually here are three things main. First is 102 battery. Second is the copper wire which is covered around the cylindrical pipe, and the third is the ball that is covered with aluminium foil. We need only three things which are very important. Here you can see that the copper wire is covered around the pipe and the ball is covered with aluminium foil. I have also attached this to 102 battery so that the circuit can be completed, and when the circuit the battery is on with the switch, this LED will glow up so that it indicate that the switch is on and the power is being generated. So when the battery will be on, then it will produce the low current energy, and because of that low current energy, this copper wire will produce electromagnetic energy. When the copper wire will get low current energy, low current electricity from the this battery, then it produce the electromagnetic energy. I have also attached a resistor so that the circuit can be completed and there is no breakage of power. So when the switch is on, then the copper wire will produce electromagnetic energy, and because of that, the bulb or anything can glow easily, or it can charge or work. So we can also say that because of copper wire, the Tesla coil can produce the high voltage with low current, that is with the battery with low current, and this is how the Tesla coil works. So the applications of my project are: First is Tesla coil is used in circuits to conduct innovative experiments in electrical lightning. Second is X-ray generation and electrotherapy. It is used in X-ray generation and electrotherapy. Third is most common application of Tesla coil is transmission of electrical energy without wires that you all have seen in the previous slides. Fourth is it can be used in radio or television to do wireless transmission. And the fifth is that we can light a CFL bulb or charge our phones that you have already seen in the working of this project. Sixth, and the main point is it has great performance and it is very easy to use and very easy to make. Now the question arises, how can we connect to our science exhibition theme, that is scientific solution for challenges in life? So we can connect to the theme like saving electricity is always a major topic. So Tesla coil is a wireless circuit which can be used in heavy motors, as it can be used to generate low current, high voltage electricity which will surely save electricity as well as will reduce the chances of short circuit. We can also use to charge our mobile phones without a wire connection or light a bulb. So this is the answer or solution for the question that I asked in the starting, that if there is a power cut at your house and you don't have anything, your mobile phone doesn't have charging, so what you will do in that case? So with this Tesla coil you can also charge your phones and light a bulb. Thus, we can say that it's a smart and a scientific solution to modern problems, and it is also an alternative sources of energy, alternative of electricity. Science is simply the word we use to describe a method of organizing our curiosity. I hope you have understood my project. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.